All right, listen, I am the most excited about this new copy paste system because I feel like I have so many people who love the products and are like, I want to share, but I really don't know how. I also have people who are like, I love the products, but I can't be affording those. And I want to help both sets of people be able to get a paycheck with Young Living by just doing very easy things like copy and pasting. So that is what this whole entire system is about, right? So I have a series of 90 days of texts to you. You'll get one every morning, so 10 a.m. Eastern, because, you know, we have people in Mountain Standard Time, so we had to make sure we weren't waking them up in the morning. Will be dropped to you, and all you have to do is copy and paste. Now, here are my suggestions, right? I got a couple notes because I want to make sure I hit them all. One, if it does not sound like you, please change it. I'm a Yinzer. I come from Pittsburgh. I tried my hardest to make this sound like everybody. So I didn't use the word yins, but let's give an example. Maybe I gave a word that is a word you wouldn't use, like yins, y'all, you are, your, right? Like some people use different words. Please change certain words if it doesn't sound like you. I genuinely want this to authentically sound like it comes from you, and I really tried my hardest to do that, but please move words around if that makes you feel better, right? Also, pictures. I took pictures. There's pictures in there. There's graphics made by amazing friends of mine. Use them. If you don't like them and you have a better one, use it, okay? But here are my suggestions with the pictures. We are really trying what is called curiosity marketing. We do not want to like shove Young Living and all its labels down your throat. We want to be like, hey, this is all you see on my feed, because that's extremely annoying to your social media friends. So we're curiosity marketing, right? We are just showing them the supplement that we take. We're not showing them the bottle. That's it. It's that simple, right? That causes the curiosity of, well, what is it? Where do I get it from? Oh my gosh, I need that. I need everything that that pill has to offer because I got all of those problems. That's the whole point of this. Okay? So after that, the next thing we need to cover is, what do I do when people comment, right? So a lot of people are going to comment. We have engagement posts. We have inspirational posts. We have educational posts about products that need to get out of your home. And then we have testimony posts, and they all flow through a 90-day series just for you to copy and paste. But what happens when somebody gets on a testimony post and is like, okay, so what is that pill? You are not going to engage on that post with that person. You are going to immediately go over to a private message and you are going to spark up a conversation. Girl, I'm so excited that you asked about what I'm taking for energy, because let me tell you, this Super B is incredible. And if you take it, you're going to rant about how incredible it is, because it is legit incredible. If you don't take a supplement that we share about, you're going to go over to Life Steps app. Okay? You're going to go into the search button and you're going to search that feature or that product, and you're going to find information about it, right? If you do not have the paid version of Life Steps for the resources, please let somebody know. Let me know, let someone know, and we will help you get the paid version. It has like all the content to be able to be shareable. But you could probably also screenshot what you find. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get them into the Limelight, right? Our Facebook group, and you're going to want to tag them on the product. So if it's Super B and you don't take Super B, you're going to go get them in the Limelight. You're going to tag them on that. You'll be like, girl, look at these testimonies. This is craziness, right? Okay. So that is how you'll follow up. Please get a notebook. I cannot encourage this more than I am right now. You will start forgetting people who are asking you about these products. And there is success in follow-up. It takes people on average about 7 times for something to be put in front of them before they even purchase. So don't feel like a failure if you tell them about it the first day and they don't buy it. It is 100% normal. So you need a notebook. So you're going to put, my friend Pam commented on Super B. I usually do Pam Super B, right? Because I already know she needs Super B, low energy. I'll put Super B, low energy, right? Anytime they comment on a product, You put their name, you put the product they commented on. I even go a little bit further. Did I get them in the limelight? I check that. Yes, they're in there. Did they engage? Yes. You have to engage within the first 30 days of being in a group to stay in the group, or Facebook kicks you out. They're annoying. Okay, so now we have, I dropped my paper. Okay, so now we have what we're going to do, what our follow-up looks like. Listen, when it comes to sales, I want to let you know that everybody is selling something. Everybody. You step outside, they're selling you something. Here's the cool thing, is we are doing what is called a pull marketing campaign that is curiosity based. As in, we are pulling them to us with engagement and inspiration. We're engaging on social media there, and we're giving a little bit of the testimony of what this product will be able to do for them. So you're pulling them into your circle. You're going to write their name down on a piece of paper, and you'll know exactly who they are. That means that the selling part is the easiest part for you. I dropped my paper again. Okay. The selling part is the easiest part for you because they have already came to you and said, I need that. Okay, I need that. I need energy. I need sleep. I need gut health. I need weight loss. I need hair growth. I need all these things, right? So all you have to do is follow up. Make sure that they're in the group. They got a link of more education. Say, hey, if I have a link you can follow if you want to get signed up and order some Super B and some Amy Pro. Like, I can actually help you unlock the 24% discount, right? Super easy. I'm excited. The selling part is something you don't really have to do. You don't have to shove it down their throat. You don't have to have this huge sales pitch. They have come to you for what you have. They have gone to Walmart and Target and Amazon to fix this problem, and it has not been fixed because all those products are crap. So you have what they need, and they are saying yes to you. So you need to stop being uncomfortable at that pitch of a sale, because they have already swiped their card multiple times in their life, most likely, to fix the energy problem, fix the sleep problem, fix the weight loss problem. And none of those products have worked. But you have, by the testimony that I've given you, by the Facebook group that we have, by the pictures of before and after, all the things that you're about to be getting in this next 90 days, you have the answer to all of this, and you have a proven picture or proven testimony of, hey, this stuff really works. They will again swipe their card because they're like, you know what? I've tried it other places. It didn't work. You said your products are more quality than those. I'm going to trust you. Swipe. That's how easy it is. I swear. It really is. Don't overthink it. You are not some scammy pyramid scheme owning business owner. You have a legitimate business that has amazing products that everybody absolutely needs to have. Okay, so we've dealt with that. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is stories. So all of this content is free to copy and paste on your Facebook wall. If you would like to post it on your Instagram wall, you absolutely can. It's more designed for Facebook, but you can definitely modify it for Instagram. You would have to add some hashtags, so you just hashtag the content it's after. So if it's Super B testimony, you're going to say hashtag energy, hashtag sleepiness, hashtag caffeine, whatever, right? Now, if it's a engagement post, those really don't do the best on the feed of Instagram. They do better up in your stories. Okay, but if it's an inspirational post, you go ahead and throw that bad boy over there, the cute little graphic. My amazing friend Jenny made it. It's so freaking adorable. And they all match, so that'll make your feed look super pretty. And you'll just put something about inspiration, tell a little bit of your story of why this really tugged at your heart, and you'll hashtag that bad boy and send it on its way, right? So this can be used in both platforms. But if you would like to use stories, and you don't have to, right? So if all that I'm saying right now makes no sense to you, just ignore me. Because this is more for the people who are like, I really want to push that social media, right? I really want it to work for me. I don't want to be working for it. I don't want to be scrolling anymore and then making money off me. I want to make money, right? If all of this is strange to you, I promise you, copying, pasting, and putting in Facebook is totally all you need to do, right? But if you want to push the envelope and go to Instagram, you can do it this way. So you can get into your stories and follow the same style, right? So if I send you a testimony post about Super B, you're going to get in your stories. If you have Super B, you're going to grab it. You're going to show them how you take it in the morning. You're going to show them what it looks like. You're going to tell them how you use it. You are going to tell your story in the stories, okay? If there is an engagement post, you're going to use a very similar engagement post, but you're going to use a poll or a question or, you know, the little bar that goes up and down. So you can modify all of this to match your stories so that it's super simple. Okay, so we went over, please change your words if they don't sound like you. We want this to authentically come for you. Change your picture, but do not look salesy. I do not want a bunch of graphics going up because that's going to make you look like a commercial, and we don't want that. We want you to look like a real person sharing. Get a notebook. Get those people's names down there. Get comfortable with talking to people who say, I need what you got. Can I get it? Right? People are sitting there waiting for your link going, yeah, I need all the energy. Can I please have the energy? Give it to them. Say, I can help you unlock the 24% discount with Young Living. And you guys already know how to do that, right? So, and you're going to get them in the Facebook group, and you're going to tag them in the product that they're asking questions about, because the more they see it working with other people, the more they believe it will work for them, because it will, and it does, and it's proven, right? We've all used the Super B and been like, yes. Okay, great. And then you can use this for your stories if you would like. All right, I know that this system is successful. I beta tested it last month with a bunch of amazing ladies, and every one of them was like, that was so easy to use. I will continue this. Like, they're like, because I asked, I did a Google Doc at the beginning, and I did a Google Doc at the end. And I said, listen, I really want your blunt honesty, right? I want your blunt honesty. And it was, yeah, this works. Yes, people were engaging on my posts. Yes, they were actually asking questions about stuff that I was really nervous to sell them. They were coming to me. Yes, this got everything boosted. Yes, I will continue. Yes, I love how easy the system is. So we created a larger, longer system for you. So you have 90 days to do it, because we know that it takes about 90 days to really see a turnaround, right? And the reason for that is people want to see if you're consistent or if you're just selling something today, because there's so many network marketing companies out there, and people do that. They flip around. But when you are consistent, you will see a return on your investment. So I am excited for you to get started, and all of the videos will start, not videos, all of the posts will start tomorrow, and it's 10 a.m. Eastern that they get launched. If you do not get a text message by 10:30 Eastern, please message me so that I can see what's going on, why there was a glitch. But everything is scheduled. Everything is ready. All the content is there for you. And I am just so excited that you said yes to sharing, because I for real want this to be the easiest system that you have. I want you pursuing this business, and you pursuing a couple $100 in your pocket extra every month, and you pursuing just free products to be so seamless. I don't believe that everybody needs to get diamond and make $35,000 a month. I mean, I'll take it, but I don't think that's where it's at. I really think that people are like, Tammy, I would just really like to get my products paid for so I don't have to take it out of my budget. I would really like to just get I'd like to pay my car payment $200, $300, $400. That would be pretty sweet. If I could pay my car payment with my Young Living paycheck, that would take the burden off of my family. That is what this system is designed for. Okay? So excited.